What do I do if I'm mid-plot and I'm bored? I know. And you just know, right? If you're bored, your readers are gonna be very bored. This happened to me in one of my Josie Prescott Antiques mysteries, and what I did is burn someone's condo down, right? If you need to insert action, insert a TRD. You know from Jane's plotting roadmap that is a plot twist, a plot reversal, a moment of heightened danger. They're all unexpected, and that's what grabs readers' attention. A plot twist takes the story sideways, a plot reversal, opposite to what the reader expects, and the D is for a moment of heightened danger, which could be physical, mental, spiritual, or emotional. In my case, I was writing along, I was on like page 280, and I was, man, this story is just research, go out and check something out. Research, people sit around talking. Nothing's happening. So I had my protagonist, Josie, go over to her beloved assistant Gretchen's home, her condo. Gretchen was out sick and discovers the place on fire. D, right? Moment of heightened danger. To ratchet it up, Josie, being the wonderful person she is going to try to rescue Gretchen, who she figures has fallen asleep. She's sick. She's sleeping. She has to get in. Josie tries with a rock, the sliding glass doors in the back, nothing, tempered glass. Josie is now covered in ash and soot and just heartbroken and doesn't know what to do and doesn't. Here come the firefighter. Well, all right, so not to worry, Gretchen was fine. She was at her boyfriend Jack's house, and he'd made her chicken soup, and she was sleeping there. So it's bad, our condo burned down, but she wasn't there. And it added another potential murder, an attempted murder, that deepened my primary plot. So that's good, right? Everything's good, except here's the thing. I'm on page 280 when I do this. I have to now go back to page 18 and have Gretchen's relationship with Jack kind of, spicing up a little bit. He sends her flowers. Then on page 80, he takes her to Boston for a weekend. The books are set in New Hampshire, so he's taking her to Boston for the weekend. Nice. Then on page 120, hatch, Gretchen is at the beginning of a cold. And she doesn't just idly take off sick, but by page 280, when hatchoo, 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 Josie is like, Gretchen, stop it. You're going to get us all sick. Go home. And so now I have planted all of the seeds that I need for this new plot twist to blossom properly. And that's what I do when I'm bored. I burn someone's condo down, or the equivalent. I look forward to hearing how you handle it. I do read all the comments. I very much enjoy hearing what you decided to do. And if this tip had value for you, would you like it? Would you share it? Would you subscribe to the channel? That opens up features that lets us make these videos even more valuable for you. Thank you.